Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Edifier W830NB with your iOS device. You have to start by open settings and then go to Bluetooth. Now, press and hold this power button on your right ear cup between volume up and volume down to turn on your headphones. And after that press and hold this Bluetooth button. Now it starts flashing, cool. Click on it at the device list. Click again if you have the same problem as me. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!